Introduction to the database. In this video, we are going to understand what is database and why do we need database in our computer. Traditionally, before the computer was invented, we used file system. File system are the manual way in which we used to keep the records in the files. What was the advantage of this? It was easy to sort the data because it was manual, right? But the main disadvantage of this file system was that it was not scalable. It was only best for small companies. But when some company wanted to expand to a larger company, there was a huge problem. That's why file system needed to be dropped. After the file system, there was a new upgradation which was traditional file system. Now we were storing the files on computer in the form of data. Now the data was easily expandable to large departments. Now large department can easily scale the data and manage it. But still there was some issue. The issue was redundant data. Same data was being kept in different files and it was creating lots and lots of ambiguity among the users. So a new form of system was introduced that is called as database. Database is a collection of related data. What is the main advantage of this? It helps to manage the data easily. It provides us different operations by which we can manage our data and even manipulate it in the way we want. Database management system. We have lots of confusion between database and database management system, but I'll clear you right away that these two are two different things. Database is just a system and a database management system is a collection of database. It is the software that helps to manage the database. The examples of database management systems are MySQL, Oracle, and Microsoft Access. So this type of management systems are generally used nowadays. Types of DBMS. So we have database management system classified into different models that is called as data models. So first one is relational database. This one is the most popular database management system that is widely available and it is in our course also. The another system is object oriented, object relational database, network database. Based on the number of users, database management system can be classified into single user and multiple user. Based on the access, database management systems can be classified into sequential access, means accessing the data in a sequential order. Direct access means we can directly know the position of the data and access it. Inverted file structure. The file structure is in inverted fashion and we exit or extract the value of the files one by one. Users in database. So we have different types of users in database. One type of users are application programmers. Application programmers are the users who develop the application in different languages like Java, .NET, or COBOL. Next type of users are database administrator. The user who creates policy and the strategies of DBMS are generally known as database administrator. End user. The users who interact with database and conduct various operations like retrieving, updating, and deleting are generally the end users. Now let's discuss what are the advantages of database management system. It controls data redundancy, means if some data is available at one table, then it won't be available again, means one data is present in only one table. Data sharing. The authorized user of any organization can share data among multiple users. It helps in easy maintenance because of this centralized nature of database system. It helps in reducing the time for the development and the maintenance need for the developers. It provides backup and recovery in case of some hardware or software failures. It provides different kind of interfaces like graphical user interface and application program interface for the users to interact with database management system. I hope all the points were clear to you, and if you have any doubts, you can comment down below. Thank you.